What's going on, riders? It's your boy Infinite Ryda, and this video is gonna be composed of some days, but you're gonna see it in a very short window. I'm actually on my way to take Harley up to the dealership so we can get the 1250 Hammer Performance conversion kit installed, and I'm excited about it. So Miles, who also works there, his kit is about done. His should be done tomorrow, and I wanted them to be able to immediately start on mine, so I'm taking it up there today so that as soon as Miles is done, they can start on my kit. I'm gonna try to get some footage. I probably won't get footage of them actually working on it because they don't really want me recording them working on it, but I'll try to get some footage of the different steps, and if I do, you'll end up seeing it in this video. If I can't, then you know why you didn't see it. So today is actually gonna be my last day riding Harley as an 883. But let's get up to the dealership and then I'll check back with you.
You get the bag and fumble it. You get the bag and fumble it.
You get the bag and fumble it. I get the bag and flip it and tumble it. Straight off the lot, 300 cash, and the car came with a blunt in it. The mama a thot, and she got ass, and she gon' fuck up a bag. Pull up to the spot, living too fast, dropping it up in the stash. You get the bag and fumble it. I get the bag and flip it and tumble it. Straight off the lot, 300 cash, and the car came with a blunt in it. The mama a thot, and she got ass, and she gon' fuck up a bag. Pull up to the spot, living too fast, dropping it up in the stash. You get the bag and fumble it. You get the bag and fumble it.
Alright, so we're here. I'm gonna just leave it out here for now. Pull it around back in a little bit. Look like everybody rode in today. It's so beautiful. Lori's out here, the new kid, Zach, Tim, Grumpy, and Scooter McNooter. Alright, let's get back into work. So mine should be next, and can't wait to see what type of performance we end up getting out of it. Check back in a minute. Alright, so as you can see, there's my bike ready to get worked on tomorrow. Let me show y'all Miles' bike that's already being done. As you can see, he already got his heads put on there. They just got to finish up, and it looks pretty good. The finish feels good, so I'll keep y'all posted. All right, so the engine is broken down, as you can see. So we got the old pistons and stuff right here, and the new one's about to go on.
We should hit the star. We should hit the star.
And here are my heads. So they about to start putting it back together. The weight is real. The mechanics don't like you back there bothering them while they're working on the bike. So here are the new heads. They're on there now. Still a little bit more work to do, but I think they look pretty good. Came up today to check on the progress on my bike, and we're out here showing someone to ride. Well, they already went through the class, but they looking at getting in the bike, so we're out here with them in the snow. Dedication. So looks like the bike's almost done.
Got almost everything back together. Oh yeah. It's a wee bit dark under here, but conversion is done. So I'm about to do the heat cycles. The first cycle says crank it up for 10 seconds, then 20, then 30, then 40. So let's get it started. I'm actually going to use a timer too to time this. I'm going to press start the same time I crank it up. All right. And while it cools off, I'm going to go ahead and hurry up and take some pictures of this bike real quick. Okay, let's go for the 20 seconds. Let it cool off while I go grab another bike to take photos of. I'm in love with that roll glide right there. Look at it. I still gotta do photos. Let's do the 30-second heat cycle. I was doing this with one hand. Turn the key. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is my 40-second heat cycle interval, and then I'll do 1 mile around the range out here. All right, next I'll be doing the 1 mile.
Okay, so now the bike has completely cooled down all the way. We're gonna go ahead and put 1 mile on her. All right, so it says, so once that hits 204, I'll be done. Now this may take some time because I'm gonna just be doing circles out here on the Riding Academy range. I'm not gonna actually take it on the street yet because we're still during the break-in period. I know I had to switch. I know they had to switch the clutch to a performance or a little bit better performance clutch spring, and you could definitely feel that. Sorry, I had my shield up a little bit. It's definitely a lot tighter clutch spring when you pull in the clutch. Now I can't tell you if I'm noticing a big increase in power because of the fact that I'm not able to unleash the power yet, as you would say. So probably got to do about 7 more laps. Okay, looks like we're about to hit 1 mile, so I'm gonna be stopping. Pretty sure we're there for the most part. Should be at 1. Exactly 1 mile. Let me circle back. Alright, all that's left is a 2 mile break-in, or they said a couple mile, which that'll be me just taking her home, I guess. But yeah, seems to be fine. Can't wait to see what the actual power is going to be like.
You get the bag and fumble it. I get the bag and flip it and tumble it. Straight off the lot, 300 cash, and the car came with a blunt in it. The mama a thot, and she got ass, and she gon' put a bag. Pull up to the spot, living too fast, dropping it up in the stash. You get the bag and fumble it. I get the bag and flip it and tumble it. Straight off the lot, 300 cash, and the car came with a blunt in it. The mama a thot, and she got ass, and she gon' put a bag. Pull up to the spot, living too fast.